The Senal MC24ES is a sleeper microphone for creators who need clean directional audio without spending as much as some of those luxury brands cost. This typically runs for $160 and is often found cheaper. For this whole video, you'll be listening to audio coming from the Senal MC24ES, and I do want to say thank you to B&H for sending me this mic to review. This is a 7.1-inch brass microphone, which means it's a really nice size even if you want to mount it directly on top of a camera. For the best sound quality, I recommend positioning it directly out of frame. I've got it a little bit lower than I would normally have it, and I'm running this directly into the Lumix XLR2 interface. You can expect rich natural vocal sound with this, and it has a hypercardioid pattern that does a great job at just focusing on the sound in front of it while getting rid of noise from the sides. It also has a selectable 180 Hz high pass filter on it, which helps get rid of low end rumble and AC hum as well. Since this is a shorter microphone, you have to use this with 48 volt phantom power using an XLR setup, so I would really recommend using this with a high quality 32-bit float interface, but really anything with phantom power is going to work just fine. This is a great option not only for talking head videos like this where you get it just out of frame, but it also sounds great for ASMR videos. So I've been using this microphone for most of my unboxings, just mounting it directly to the camera. It's got high sensitivity, which does a great job at capturing the crisp crinkles and also just the quiet noises with a very low noise floor. The hypercardioid pattern means you can mount it overhead and it'll still grab the sounds from below while ignoring things that are coming from the sides. It is important to note with a mic like this, you want to get as close to it as possible, so the farther away you are from it, the sound quality will go down. And this is also going to do a great job at showing us the handling noise to expect out of the microphone. Also, you'll notice as you start to turn the microphone away from you, the sound should go down, and as you turn it around the other way, it'll really do a great job at rejecting the sound that's coming from the back. So as you start to turn the microphone back towards you again, once you get closer to on axis, you will get more of the sound coming from your voice. This mic typically runs for about $160, and you get a 2-year warranty with it and the professional grade build. This is a great option if you need to have higher sound quality without going all the way into a microphone that's just going to be really expensive or made of plastic. In the box, you do also get the mic pouch, the mic itself, a foam windscreen, a mic clip, and you also get a 5/8 to 3/8 inch adapter. Overall, really recommend this for anyone who's looking for a solid microphone, whether for ASMR, for talking head videos like this, or also for recording instruments. If you're interested in buying this mic, I will have links to buy at B&H in the description below. And if you got any questions, drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear them.